What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if your Redmi 13 cannot receive calls. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button and then swipe down this white circle, and when the circle gets green then you can release your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the calls not receiving issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on sound and vibration. Now in sound and vibration, scroll down and here tap on do not disturb option, and then here you will see a do not disturb button. So if this button is enabled, then you will not receive any reminder for incoming call and notification. So to receive calls, tap on this button to turn it off, and after turning off this button, the calls not receiving issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the calls not receiving issue on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.